In today's world, rising costs are hitting almost everything, including software subscriptions. Monthly or yearly fees for paid programs can quickly drain your wallet. But what if you could get the same powerful tools for free? In this video, we'll show you the 5 best free alternatives to popular paid software you can use instead, without having to spend a cent. All the software we will mention today will be linked below in the description so that you can try them out for yourself. Be sure to check it out, and keep your devices secure without breaking the bank. Let's start with our first pick, antivirus software, which we all need. Paying for antivirus software like McAfee or Norton isn't always necessary. Several free options can protect your system just as effectively. When it comes to free antivirus software, 2 of my favorites stand out. Bitdefender Antivirus Free is an excellent choice for real-time protection against the latest threats, making it a reliable option for keeping your system safe. It's light on system resources while providing robust defense against malware, ransomware, and other cyber risks. On the other hand, Malwarebytes Free is a fantastic secondary tool. While it doesn't offer real-time protection, available only in the premium version, it's an excellent tool for scanning and removing any malware that might bypass your primary antivirus. This makes it a fantastic option for keeping your system clean without requiring a paid subscription. Now let's move on to some great alternatives to Microsoft 365. With Microsoft 365 costing around $100 per year, finding a free yet powerful Office suite can save you a significant amount. One top recommendation is WPS Office, a robust and free suite that includes Writer, spreadsheets, and presentation, along with a built-in PDF editor. This makes it an excellent alternative to Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even Adobe Acrobat. Another strong contender is LibreOffice, which offers compatible replacements for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It allows you to open, edit, and save files in Microsoft Office formats seamlessly, making it a reliable choice for those who prioritize compatibility. Shifting gears to photo editing, Adobe Lightroom is a favorite among photographers, but its $12 per month price tag can add up. A fantastic free alternative is Darktable, an open-source tool that supports non-destructive editing. This means you can enhance and adjust your photos without compromising the original quality. With a range of features designed to streamline your workflow, Darktable is a top pick for photographers on a budget. For engineers, architects, and designers, AutoCAD has long been the industry standard for creating precise 2D drawings and 3D models. However, with a steep price of $3,000 per year, it's far from budget-friendly. Thankfully, there's a powerful, free alternative, FreeCAD. This open-source software is compatible with all major platforms and provides a comprehensive set of features for creating intricate designs. Whether you're working on 2D blueprints or complex 3D models, FreeCAD has the tools to get the job done. It also supports a wide range of file formats, making it easy to import and export your work seamlessly. What's more, FreeCAD's active community provides plenty of tutorials and resources to help you get started, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Wrapping up our list, let's talk about a free alternative to Adobe Illustrator, the go-to software for creating scalable vector graphics. While Illustrator is a favorite among professionals, its $23 per month price tag can be a deal breaker for many. That's where Inkscape comes in. This free open-source tool is packed with powerful features for creating and editing vector graphics. From object creation to gradients and pattern fills, Inkscape has everything you need to design logos, icons, and other professional quality visuals. Plus, it's fully compliant with the SVG format, ensuring your designs remain scalable without losing quality. While it does have a bit of a learning curve, Inkscape offers plenty of tutorials to help you get up to speed. And that's our final pick. Thanks for tuning in. You'll find links to all the free programs we mentioned in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which free software alternatives you're using. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on our latest tech tips and recommendations. Thanks for sticking around until the end. We hope you found these free software alternatives helpful and that they save you both time and money. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments which free tools you're excited to try out. And if you're looking for even more ways to cut costs, don't miss our next video, where we'll show you how to get the best free video editing software. Click on the video in the top right corner or find the link in the description. And hey, if you want even more exclusive tips, tricks, and updates, sign up for our newsletter. The link is in the description below. And hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of our latest tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.